Doctrine originates from soldiers' use of widely accepted best practices during operations and training. What is the emerging doctrine and how can you become part of the discussion? Watch this fast-moving demonstration of the Doctrine Development Tool's capabilities to learn how you can contribute to the conversation. Welcome to ADDT, the newest iteration of the Doctrine Development Tool in support of the United States Army. Accessible to DoD personnel connected on NIPR, VPNs, and virtual desktop, the ADDT uses authentication and authorization to ensure only secure access. DDT is a flexible, government off-the-shelf software solution, provided at no cost and free from subscription or licensing fees. Built with HTML5, it is compatible with modern web browsers. Instantly spot what matters. Check proposed definitions of new terms against approved doctrine. With just one click, move through the table of contents and the document. Just highlight the text to modify the sentence, or add your own thoughts to the draft. Provide your rationale here, whether it's a recommendation, purpose, or explanation of your deletion, edit, or addition. What is the priority and significance of this comment to your organization? Submitting your comment secures its inclusion in the discussion. Review your comments side by side, preview their integration into the text, and refine your proposed comments and changes. Generate comment matrices in Microsoft Word and Excel using familiar tools to export your comments from ADDT. Generate a graph displaying comment counts by type and location within the publication, revealing where the community is focusing on fundamentals and principles. PENBAY Technology Group, supporting the Joint Staff and the United States Army in their pursuit of efficient mission accomplishment, accelerating the pace of doctrine development.